Eastern Metal Trading buys usable steel, stainless, and aluminum across all of the U.S. and Canada. Construction companies, metal fabricators, manufacturers, and distributors have taken advantage of Eastern services. Eastern provides strong financial return for its vendors, paying usable prices for usable material. We purchase material that is new surplus, canceled order material, salvage material, and subrogation material. Eastern has helped ports, ship owners, and importers halt punitive demurrage by taking on abandoned material or material stuck at port. EMTC will buy structural shapes, flat-rolled materials such as sheets or coil, rebar, plate, pipe, sheet piling, conduit, and more. With this winning formula, we can take a look at your inventory to see if we can get you a great return on your material. With over 30 years of solving inventory issues, Eastern has established itself as a trusted partner for vendors throughout many industries.